Are you struggling to turn on your Apple Watch? Maybe after a long time usage, you discover that your Apple Watch is not turning on. If you press the control center button, then there's supposed to be a timer on the screen, but the timer is not coming up. And you try to turn on the Apple Watch by pressing the control center button, but the Apple Watch is not turning on just like this. Then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix Apple Watch not turning on step by step without using any third-party source. So mainly this video is exactly what I did when my Apple Watch Series 9 failed to turn on, and after about 6 hours my Apple Watch started working. Now the main reason why your Apple Watch is not turning on is because you've exhausted the battery, and even the backup battery has been exhausted. So when your Apple Watch battery died or flat, you keep on using the Apple Watch until the backup battery that showcase the timer on the screen of the Apple Watch, even whenever it turns off or whenever the battery is flat, has been exhausted. The only thing you want to do to fix this is not by changing the battery or whatsoever. The only thing is, let's say my Apple Watch is turned off now and all power to turn it on failed. Then you want to go ahead, get your Apple Watch charger. This is the only solution. Then place the Apple Watch on it. Now I want to charge this particular Apple Watch for at least 6 hours. So I did charge my Apple Watch for at least 6 hours before it comes up. So ever since then, I never used or exhausted my Apple Watch battery to 0 level. So if your Apple Watch battery is at 0 level, you want to make sure you plug the Apple Watch and then place it on the charger. Once you place it on the charger, then let it be. You can see after a couple of hours, your Apple Watch will turn on by itself, and it will keep on turning on henceforth for as long as the Apple Watch battery and the backup battery is not drained. So that is the only solution if you want to fix your Apple Watch not turning on, either a new Apple Watch or an old Apple Watch you'll be using for a while. So the only reason why the Apple Watch fails to turn on when you press the button is because there is no more battery and the backup battery has been exhausted. So you want to charge the Apple Watch for couples of hours, and after some hours, it might take about 6 hours, and after some hours the Apple Watch is back again and it's running perfectly. So that is basically how you can easily fix Apple Watch not turning on. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.